Hi everyone, I'm so thrilled to make this lesson because I'm into phrases, into expressions, into phrasal verbs and idioms and slangs. And in this lesson, I'm going to talk about expressions with make. Well, if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe to my channel. Okay, last lesson, in my previous lesson, I talked about expressions with do, and here I'm going to talk about make, expressions with make. What is the difference between them? Expressions with do are used to talk about jobs, different tasks, and work. But when it comes to make, when it comes to expressions with make, are used to talk about producing something and creating something. Yes, creation and production. Okay, let's take a look at the expressions. Make breakfast. It's obvious, right? In the morning, before having breakfast, we make breakfast. So, make breakfast. Make breakfast. Make lunch. Make lunch. Make dinner. Make dinner. Yes, I make dinner every evening. And next one is make tea or make coffee. Make coffee without articles. Here the same. Any articles we can see here. Again, no articles. Make soup. Make soup. Or make salad. No articles. Make salad. I make salad. Make salad. Make a cake. Make a cake. Make a cake. Or make a sandwich. So we can count cakes and sandwiches, and here we gotta put article a. Make a cake. Make a sandwich. Or make sandwiches in plural. Okay, now here we can see another expressions with make. Again, those are about creation and producing something. Make money. Yes, we make money. Make friends. Make friends. In abroad, you make friends. When you are in a foreign country, you make friends. Make a phone call. Make a phone call. Let me make a phone call. Make a phone call. Make an effort. Make an effort. You know that to achieve something, you gotta make an effort. Make your best effort. Try your best or do your best. Make an effort. Make a mistake. We all make mistakes. Or make a mistake. Make a mistake. Don't be afraid of making mistakes. Make a change. Make a change. Make a change. Make progress. Make progress. Make progress. If you are committed to something, if you practice every day, you're going to make progress. You are definitely going to make progress. Make an appointment. Make an appointment. Make an appointment. Before seeing a doctor, you make an appointment. Or have an appointment. Make a promise. I promise. I make a promise. Make a promise. Make a prediction. Make a prediction. Make a prediction. Okay, let's review all the expressions one more time. Actually, expressions with make are used to talk about producing something or creating something. Expressions with make are about production or creation. Make breakfast. Make lunch. Make dinner. Make tea. Make coffee. Make soup. Make salad. Make a cake. Make a sandwich. Make money. Make friends. Make a phone call. Make an effort. Make a mistake. Make a change. Make progress. Make an appointment. Make a promise. Make a prediction. Make a prediction. Okay, that's it for today. If you have any questions about learning English, let me know in the comments. See you next time. Bye bye.